Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because this is one of my absolute favorite videos to film and to watch and to just do, to be honest. I love doing monthly resets. So with all of my monthly resets, we're first going to go through my January goals and I will kind of reflect and update you on what I did and did not do. And then we're going to do some February goals and plan for the new month. So let us take a look at my January goals, and of course I'm using the Everyday Planner. I love this planner. It's my favorite planner. It's the only thing that I use to stay organized with my life. And on the front of it, it has a monthly bucket list, which is what I share with you every month as my goals. So if you want to twin with me and do monthly resets with me and have like this beautiful page, I will have this planner linked down below so you can go ahead and check it out. So first up in January, it was to love being spontaneous, and I definitely more than ever did this. I went on random spontaneous dates. I went to meet my friends. I did things that I really would not have normally done. So I'm so proud of myself because you guys know I'm such a planner person. I need to know what is going on at all times. So to randomly pick myself up and go to dinner dates or just do random things was so different for me, and I really did enjoy it. I wanted to read 10 minutes daily. I did not really read 10 minutes daily, and it's something that I do want to really implement because it's something that I'm struggling with clearly, to pick up a book and read for only 10 minutes. I want to build a puzzle, so I have to say I'm almost finished with it. I'm so proud of myself for actually even getting it out, even though January was such a crazy month. I'm almost finished, so I definitely will be finished this month in February. But to actually start building the puzzle and see it come together is really just mind-blowing because it's been years since I've built a puzzle. I wanted to eat sushi, which I did because I did go on a random sushi date, which was so fun. I wanted to make cocktails, and you guys, I'm getting into my cocktail era of life and I'm loving it. This is something that has been even on my dream board across here. I have just always been intrigued by making drinks, whether it be cocktails or mocktails. I made margaritas, which was really fun. I made, what else did I make? Just different little cocktails here and there. I wanted to clean 10 minutes every day, and I did do my 10-minute tidy for the most part of it, which was mainly like washing my dishes and making up my bed and stuff like that. I wanted to learn about an indoor herb garden, so I've been reading up about it, but I didn't actually get it done, which is something that I would really want to do for sure, maybe this month. I wanted to watch Suits. Suits is going so good. I'm on season 5. It's such a good show. It's like, I was hesitant to start it because I thought it would have just been so boring, but it's so good. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I wanted to go for dinner dates, which is so funny because when I wrote this down, I actually started seeing somebody right around that time, which was so unexpected, and we went on tons of little dates. And then I wanted to be present, which I absolutely was, because whenever I would go out or just go on those dates and stuff like that, I would not be on my phone, and I would really be soaking up the moment and enjoying it and enjoying doing all the things that I would not normally have done. So those were my January goals and reflections. So let us go ahead and set up my planner for February, and I will get back to you on all of my February goals. There's something that is just so exciting about using a planner and setting it up for the new month. This is the Everyday Planner, like I mentioned before, and all of the details will be linked down below if you'd like to see an entire review and flip through of this planner. So first up, it is an undated planner. So what I like doing is going into the month at a glance spread and filling in all of the dates with all of the immediate things that I know that is going on. So that might be birthdays or Valentine's Day in this case, my birthday, and any other little things that I have going on in the month. Seeing everything like this laid out at the beginning of the month makes me feel so much less overwhelmed, and I feel a little bit more organized because I know what I'm doing. I can see everything at a glance, and I kind of have an idea of what my month is going to look like, which is very important for me because I like having a system where I don't forget important things, where everything is more or less laid out, and I have like important details such as like paying rent and other important bills. Next up, I will go into the daily pages and write in the dates and then fill in on the day any important things. So I'm filling in all of my birthday details on this day, which is basically going on the yacht party, the boat party with my friends. And then I'm just filling in Valentine's Day because I do want to make sure and have that Valentine's Day content. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill in any other important details that I don't want to forget and that I already know in advance. Once that is done, now it is my favorite part, and that is tackling my monthly bucket list, which is the list that you guys know that I review and share, and those are my goals for the new month. And I like having something like this where it is consistent every month, where I can see how I change and how I grow and how I do different things, and then I also see how much things that I do get to accomplish and check off of my list. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out my planner, and I will be playing some fun music in the background so you can plan with me or go ahead and do something around your house. And then we're gonna get back to this, and I'm gonna share with you what all of my goals for February are.
Perfect Sunday on the blues. We looked happy, but I was going through it, yeah. All my senses, really knew it. Said to end it, but I was leaving you and picking daisies, contemplating. Cause you say things, but never really do, yeah. You're never pulling through for me. My intuition's always right. You just proved me wrong, you proved me wrong, you proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place, you stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you, just what I get for trusting you, loving you, taking you for your word. What I get for fucking you, wanting you, why am I defending you too? My intuition's always right. Broken heart better than FBI. I had your back, but you just proved me wrong. You proved me wrong, you proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place, you stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain.
February, we are gonna go through the same format as before. So first up on my list is love, and that is creating content. I want to get back into my content creation era, and I have been doing really good with that, especially with reels, but I really want to make sure I keep up with my YouTube channel, because I always say that YouTube is my #1 favorite thing in life. Like, I love YouTube more than any other social media platform, so I really want to just continue creating content that I love. I want to read Jay Shetty, the Relationship book, so that is where I'll be doing my 10 minutes daily and seeing how that goes. I want to create lots of Valentine's Day content. Valentine's Day just comes upon me so quickly, and I really do want to create nice content for Valentine's Day. I want to eat more fruit / smoothies, so I did get strawberries and oats and almond milk, so those are the things that I'll be making my smoothies with, which I'm really excited about because I love my immersion blender. You guys know I got that for Christmas, so I'm just in my smoothie making era. I'm trying to be. I want to do like a Valentine's Day pretty platter, you know, like a charcuterie board type of thing. I want to clean this room. You guys, I don't know what is going on with it, but it's wild in here. I want to try a reformer Pilates class, and this is something that I've always wanted to do. I have been out of the gym for almost like 2 years now, I think even longer, maybe like even 3 years. So I've been out of the gym, so I do all of my workouts at home, and Pilates, I love it. and I love doing HIIT workouts at home, but I do want to try reformer Pilates. I want to watch a really nice romantic comedy. February is my birthday, so I want to go on my yacht to have my yacht party, and it's something I've been looking forward to and planning for over a year now, to just be on the boat and just having a really good time with my friends. And last up, I want to be really thankful and open to all of the new things in my life. So I think that will go with just being spontaneous and open to all the new things and just basically saying yes to everything, which is what I plan on doing. So that was my monthly bucket list for February, and I can't wait to update you on all the things that I did do. I hope that you enjoy these monthly resets, because like I said, it is my favorite type of videos to do. I love it. I just love the new month. I love having a new chance to start over. I like having goals so I can look forward to things in life and have an idea of what I want to get done, so that month does not pass me by and I have no idea what I did. So yeah, thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more monthly resets like these, don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss anything fun. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.